PowerSteering has been a huge step up from where we were initially. We'd been running an $8 billion appropriation with spreadsheets, sending them back and forth, and to have an automated tool that allows us to have consistent data enterprise-wide, be it looking from DAU, looking at it from the Office of the Secretary of Defense, or looking at it from any of the services, the Army, Navy, Air Force, etc. Everyone has access to the exact same data, metrics, and reporting, so we're all on the same page, and it really made it a much more efficient process to communicate how the fund is being managed and what's actually happened by executing those dollars. We train people on how to acquire everything from 1 million pins to acquiring aircraft carriers. We use PowerSteering as an administrative tool to both track the dollars spent for projects on the fund and also to track what we're actually doing for the acquisition community with those funds. For instance, we'll track the number of people who got trained on how to do a better job at managing contractors that work for Department of Defense. The information goes up as high as the Deputy Undersecretary of Defense, who will look at the fund on a quarterly basis and see if the high-level goals that we have for the acquisition workforce are being met, both from a financial standpoint, from a training standpoint, and from a staffing standpoint of how well we're meeting our objectives. PowerSteering has enabled us as an organization to focus more on analytics. In the beginning, when we were working with just spreadsheets and emails, it was difficult to keep track of data and figure out which particular email or which spreadsheet was the accurate one, the spreadsheet that we should be working off of. But now with PowerSteering, we know that any data pulled off the system is accurate.